Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ling Ling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my home style mackerel sardines. So this is good for your personal consumption or for business. So if you're interested, watch the video till the end. And before that, kindly subscribe, like, and then don't forget to hit the bell for more updates, and then you can comment down below. Here are the ingredients that we need. After we clean the fish, we have to salt each piece and then set aside. After you salt all the fish, prepare the cauldron and put all the ingredients. After you put all the ingredients, turn on the stove and put it in a medium heat. Bango. And then cook it for 3 to 4 hours. And once it's cooked, let it cool down and then put it in a jar. So there you go, guys. I hope you like my video and I hope you learned. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.